Hey, it's Yay for Yarn, and today I'm unboxing the July 2020 Knit Crate. Alright, so my Knit Crate came in the mail, and the crates have been running actually quite late recently because they haven't been able to get the yarn shipped in on time with all the delays and shipping and all that kind of stuff. So it did come pretty late. So if you were to sign up for a Knit Crate, you would not get this crate. You would actually get the August crate because it is now August. But they did get the boxes back, which is pretty cool. So let's see what's inside here. All right. So this is like blue, but it's almost a little bit purplish blue. That is really neat. It's like a deep tonal color. So this is Uru Yarn Cotton Basic, designed in collaboration with Stitch and Hustle. And this colorway is called Stardust. Oh, this is pure Pima cotton, organic Pima cotton. This yarn would probably be really expensive if you just went online and bought hand-dyed organic Pima cotton. This is really nice. DK weight. This feels super, super soft. This does not have like a distinct cotton feel to it like you would expect from like the type of generic cotton yarn that you can get for dishcloths and stuff like that. This is so much softer than that stuff. It's smooth. It has like a very distinct strand that doesn't have a lot of fuzz to it. So this will give great stitch definition. That lack of fuzz will be perfect for the summer. I cannot wait to come up with an idea to make with this yarn because this feels like the perfect summer yarn. So I love the yarn. The colorway is kind of like almost an indigo with some lighter shades in there too, but it has like a slightly purple tone to it. It's not like a straight blue. It has a purple tone to it. And the other skein has even more of that lighter shade in it. So it looks like it's mainly only two different colors, but as it fades into that lighter color, you do get some in-between shades. So this is really, really nice yarn. I love this. Oh, and then we got a crochet hook. So this is a size J Tunisian crochet hook, and it has this long cable on it so that you can hold lots of stitches, because with Tunisian crochet, you have all your stitches on the needle at the same time. It's kind of a cross between crochet and knitting. So I don't actually do tutorials on Tunisian crochet, but I have done it before, and it is a pretty nice texture as far as the fabric goes. I just don't usually do it because it guzzles yarn. But I imagine there's probably a Tunisian crochet project in this pattern book, which we have not had pattern books in the knit crates for quite a while, and now they are able to get them again. So let's see what's in here. This shawl, this giant shawl, looks pretty interesting. So here is the theme. It's called Color Splash. And here's the yarns for the sock crate. So this one right here is the colorway that I got. And then here is some information on the designer who helped come up with the theme and colors and stuff for this crate. Here are the membership yarns. So this is the Stardust color I got. It calls it a purple leaning navy, which is pretty accurate. And then here are the other two colors that you could get. And by the way, you can choose which of the three colors for each month that you will get ahead of time. So I actually chose this one ahead of time because I thought it was really cool. So here are the sock yarns, which if you get the sock crate, you could also choose these ahead of time. So like this one has flecks of turquoise, this one has flecks of gray, and this one has flecks of fuchsia. All right, so here are all the patterns for the crate. They show all of the patterns on the same page. So here is the knit shawl pattern. Then we have a crochet shawl pattern, knit socks, crocheted socks. Those are all really pretty. And then down here, we have the bonus Tunisian crochet shawlette pattern, which is a download only. So it's not actually in the book. So here's another close-up of this knit shawl. That's pretty neat. Has a lot of eyelets in it. And then here is the crochet shawl. And it's pretty neat because each of these shawls only calls for the 2 skeins of yarn in the crate, even though they're very large shawls. So here are the knit socks. Those have a pretty interesting design that goes down the front and an interesting heel construction right there. And then here are the crochet socks. So those are pretty neat too. And that is the end of the book. Here is a theme peek for August 2020. Now they have already released what the yarns for August are going to be. And if you've already signed up and you're getting the August crate, then you had the opportunity to choose which color you were going to get towards the end of the month of July. But any new subscribers that subscribe during August 2020 will get the next crate for August. And by the way, I've seen the previews of that one, and it is really pretty too. So that is what's in the crate, and all of this stuff is really nice. I don't have very many Tunisian hooks, but the 2 or 3 that I have are really giant. So if I ever need a slightly smaller one, this one is a J or 6 millimeter, as opposed to the super jumbo ones that I have. So this will come in handy. I will stash this away in my crochet hook cases, and if I ever need one, then I have a size J Tunisian hook now. So very nice. I like the finish of this wood here. It's kind of like bamboo, but it has a coating on it. So I would imagine this might be birch, which is actually my favorite, by the way. I'm not 100% sure on that, but it is a nice wooden hook with an inline tip on it. So very nice. This is the first time I think we've ever gotten a crochet hook or, needle of some sort as our extra. So that is pretty neat. And like I said, I love this yarn. I am going to have to pause some of my current projects to come up with something to do with this yarn, because this is really nice. And it's just perfect for this time of year. So thanks so much to Knit Crate for sending me this crate to review. If you'd like to join the Knit Crate subscription, then you can click the link in the description box down below and use the coupon code YAYFORYARN20 to get 20% off of your first crate. And besides the discount that you get for signing up, if you sign up through my coupon code, you can also get a discount once you're a member on all of the yarns that are in their shop. So whenever they have some of the yarn for a crate left over, or if you just want to order more of the same one that you're getting to make a larger project, you can get huge discounts off of the yarns in their shop for being a member, which makes it way, way cheaper than if you were to buy some of these same yarns just, wherever they might have hand-dyed yarns of the same type of quality and fiber content. So you definitely can save some money with the Knit Crate subscription because of all those member discounts. And somewhere during the month, they also give you a bonus coupon to use on top of your member discounts, and it does give you a really great deal. So if you sign up for the Knit Crate, you will get the August crate first, because this is the month of August currently, even though this is the July crate. And you don't have to worry about getting a color you don't like, because you can always choose which color for the month that you want to get, which I think is a great improvement once they created the ability to do that, because then you always know what you're going to get ahead of time. You can pick which one you like the best, And it's really a great option for anybody who enjoys working with luxury yarns or hand-dyed yarns and not spending huge amounts of money on them. Because commonly, if you were to buy yarns like this, they would cost you more for one skein than what you pay for the whole crate. So it really is a good deal, and you get all those bonus discounts for being a member if you order anything else besides just the subscription. So I would highly recommend this crate to anybody who enjoys working with yarn, like I mentioned before. And I'm going to start planning a project for this yarn because I really would like to use this in the very near future. So stay tuned to see what I end up making with this. And if you decide to try the Knit Crate, be sure to use that coupon code and the link in the description box below to get that discount. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you've ever tried a yarn subscription, let me know what you thought in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.